Hello there. The showery theme that July has brought us so far is looking to continue over the next few days. Low pressure is sticking with us throughout the second half of the weekend as well, gradually pushing its way off towards Scandinavia, but there's still plenty of isobars on the chart there, indicating a fresh breeze for many of us. Also relatively unsettled, a cloudy affair for western areas of Scotland with some more prolonged areas of rain. There'll be some sunshine elsewhere in between the scattered showers that do develop, but some of those showers could be heavy in places with some thunderstorms and hail as well. The most impactful torrential downpours are perhaps likely across parts of Aberdeenshire into Moray, and that's because the thunderstorms here will be slow moving since the winds will be lightest here over the course of the day. But elsewhere where those isobars are really tightly spaced together, particularly southern areas of Scotland down into northeast England, potential for 40-mile-an-hour gusts at some points throughout this afternoon, so definitely a blustery affair. For the rest of England and Wales, winds will be a notch down compared to Saturday, but there's still a relatively fresh breeze across the place, and if you are exposed to that, that will just make it feel that bit cooler. If you manage to see that sunshine though, temperatures climb to highs of 22 degrees Celsius. Touch lower for western Scotland underneath a more persistent cloud and rain, and those outbreaks of rain will continue into this evening and overnight as well. A relatively damp 24 hours to come here. Elsewhere, some of the showers throughout today will gradually ease their way off, but some will persist across western areas of England and Wales as well. Underneath the more clearer spells though, and because the winds are continuing to ease out, it will just feel that bit fresher compared to last night. Temperatures dropping down to around 11-12 degrees Celsius, but we could just drop into single figures in some rural spots as well. If you manage to see the clear spells developing overnight though, it does mean that you'll be greeted by a fairly decent amount of sunshine first thing to start off the new working week. Still relatively cloudy for Scotland first thing, and most of us will then start to see showers bubbling up once again as we head throughout the day. Particularly central areas down into eastern, southeast England. Again, those could turn heavy in places with some thunderstorms and hail possible. But there will be other areas where those showers are a bit more hit and miss, and some of us could stay dry throughout much of the day. Perhaps parts of northwest England down into Wales and southwest England, particularly later on into the afternoon as well. Again, if you do manage to dodge those showers and see some of the sunnier spells, temperatures will range between 17 and 23 degrees Celsius, which is just a touch below, relatively around where we should be for the time of year. As we head into Monday evening, again, some of those showers will gradually ease their way off, and most of us should see some late evening sunny spells as well. You might just notice, though, that this area of rain is gradually pushing its way into the far southwest of Ireland, and that's something that will be greeting us as we do head towards Tuesday. Gradually, this area of low pressure will push its way in, providing a fairly damp start to Tuesday for Northern Ireland, and then that rain will spread its way into northern areas of Wales, Northern England and Scotland later on. So we're not completely out of the woods yet in terms of this rather unsettled regime, but do stay up to date with the forecasts. We'll have all the latest updates here on YouTube, the app and the website, as well as across all of our social media channels. And we'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.